Hello, this is Zach Null. This is for CIS126 Intro to Python, week 12, try and catch constructs. Let's go. I didn't really build like anything fancy this week. I just kind of did a continuous thing to, I guess, show that I could use them. So I started with a try, except to open a read-only file and try to write something. Obviously, purposely caused it to error out and tell me that. Then I continued on, did a try finally, and made it a write file with a text input. Made it right into it. I'll show you in a minute. Saves, says no more error, closes it, says goodnight. I put that in there just in case, even though I knew it wasn't going to flag it, but anyway. And then I decided to try to make it read the lines and print them, but it won't do that because that's a value error, because that's closed out. So I made it print, you can't do that. So, yeah. If you watch over here, you'll see the file pop up magically. Ta-da! So, error, can't read to a write-only file, which is what the first error was. No more error down here. So now the finally, no more error. And then you can't do that down in the except clause at the bottom, because it's a value error. And I originally told it to write, look, I made it work. Look, I made it work. Alright. Have a good one.